So let's get started with eBay. The great thing with eBay in 2020 is that you no longer actually need to have a PayPal account to do this. You're going to have direct payments going directly into your bank and checking account. So if PayPal, you're having trouble or issues with that, or you can't use it in your country, well, this is no longer an issue. Now you can just go ahead and just use your checking account and get paid with eBay. To sign up, all you have to do is to press on sign in. Over here, just create a username for yourself, or sign in with Facebook, Google, or even with Apple. Creating your username is extremely important because once you create a username, it is a little hard for you to actually change it, and in fact, I don't suggest for you to change it for quite some time. One of the reasons for it is once you create a username, people who identify you with that username are more likely to shop with you. So whatever you think the username is, take a few minutes to think it over, and maybe even overnight, create an amazing username, and it means a lot. So Super Junk King, is this a good username? Probably not. People would think you're selling super high-end junk. Not a smart thing to do. On the other hand, high discount rate, that sounds like a scam. You want to think of something that's going to make a difference, something that talks about whatever you're selling and yet doesn't restrict you to something. For example, Sneakers King. Well, this is a great name, except for the problem. Now, if you're going to be selling anything but sneakers, this name is going to bite you. So no, that is not a good idea. Whatever the name is, make sure the name is going to be relevant for a few years from now, especially if this is going to be a big business that you want to do with. So think it over. Once you do, come back, create a username, and get started. And if you don't like the name, you can always change it.